Wagwan, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, my people, this is an update about this whole situation where it is said that the police within the country of Jamaica seized a truck with cows, viewers and subscribers, and the truck have Juici patties logo on it. Now, don't get me wrong, viewers and subscribers, because at the time when I got the information plus a video that I saw on social media, I only got information about one truck in viewers and subscribers. See? But now me get information that more than one trucks was involved in the whole situation. You hear me, as my people? Yes, me get information that is more than one trucks, along with drivers who was driving those trucks, were involved in the whole situation, my people. See? And I also got information that 4 persons had been arrested and charged by the police within the country of Jamaica about this whole situation. See it? Yeah, me the promise you know say me I gotta do an update if possible. Well, these are the update viewers and subscribers. See? And for those who have not seen the previous video that I posted, viewers and subscribers, because the previous video actually shows residents or citizens within the country of Jamaica at a certain location looking at cows inside of the truck and assess certain things. You see me? Yeah, me I gonna leave a link at the end of this video, and if you click that link will take you to a previous video that I posted about this whole situation. Yeah, so you can click the link, go back, and you will see that video that shows you know, persons basically look on cows in a truck and I say certain things. So I say, yeah man, but anyways, I could get down to this whole situation now, because I want to hear some things what them said, the company said, because me get information that the company responded to this whole situation. Alright, let me take my time now and explain certain things. Juici Patties company said the drivers of those trucks had been employed to the company for several years and no such incident had ever occurred. See, the Juici Patties company say that it had placed a public advertisement inviting farmers who wish to sell cattle to get in touch with a certain type of manager. See it? I mean, I'm going to go and like say, me have a full understanding of the whole situation. You see me I say? So, it is said that the company said that a seller responded and arrangements were made for the animals to be inspected and transported to a scale. Mean forget them we are something like that. You understand? And then you know how it go after the weighing and so forth, then maybe at the money time. You see me I say, my people? So, listen carefully, my people, because you see, this whole thing is something where really and truly have me thinking. I mean, I really want to give you no wrong information. So listen. So the Juici Patties Jamaica company said that drivers went to a certain location or went to the location and began to load the cattle. That means to say cows are load pan truck timing on my people. When the residents in the area alerted the drivers that the cattle were allegedly stolen. The company also said that the seller fled the scene. The company said, noting that its lawyers are dealing with the matter. Now, my people, it is said that the company said that residents in the area alerted the drivers that the cattle were stolen. But the information that I got first is that one resident gave out an alarm. Right? All right. Anyways, now, even though the company said these things according to information that I got, viewers and subscribers, me start to think, because information that I got as to how police operation led to the seizures of those motor vehicles with cows. You see me I say, but wait, there seems to be a big opening right there, right? Because let's say this, for example, my people, if I go the drivers them for the truck go at a certain location, and if, as to how the company say, residents, you know, alerted drivers that the cattle them sold, how is it that the police them get to seize the truck them at a certain way. Yeah, so me I say my people, just to get to me I say no, because it just don't make no sense, because once you as a driver or you as drivers got a certain location for go buy cows, and from you hear at least one person say, oh, a thief in cows them there. You're not supposed to think in yourself and say to yourself, say, but wait. And just leave the animals them at the same place and leave that place immediately. No bother with no deal nor nothing. From you hear one person say, a thief in cows, and the situation look away, just try go on your ways and go somewhere, just go on. No bother with no deal. Pick sense out of nonsense, my people. I want to forget what me I say. There must be something else about this whole thing, you see me? But listen, me have to give you every single type of information I get. See it, so maybe you can figure certain things out where me might not figure out. See? So, the owners expressed their gratitude for the swift arrival of the police who intervened to separate the drivers from an angry group that had gathered. Listen now, more I make it very clear. The police have since charged 4 persons over the theft of 6 cows. My people, may I also get information about the names of those persons and certain locations and all them things, my people. See? Jano, may I tell you? Oh yeah, and for those who might remember and for those who don't know, you know, me get one information say the police had been notified about cows that had been stolen, you know. And during an operation, trucks had been seized by the police. At first, when I got that information, I got information that is only 1 truck had been seized. And then so on, me get more information. Me get for hearsay, and more than 1 trucks had been seized by the police, along with cows. First information that I got is that a certain amount of persons was not able to give an account for the animals, and that's why they had been taken into police custody. Now a different sitting me here. So me just trying to get a good understanding as to exactly where the police seized those motor vehicles from. See? One information me get said that police arrived at a certain location when a certain amount of persons start to gather and so forth. You understand? You know what that mean? That would be a problem for those drivers of those motor vehicles. You see it? All them things that I think about. That's one information we get. But the first information we get, viewers and subscribers, don't correspond with the information we get about this whole situation recently. Yes, so I say a damn thing that I think about. I try to figure out exactly where the police them seize the motor vehicles them from. Yeah, you know, but me just give all information from all angles and tell you what me think at the same time. You can let me know what you think, my people. Yeah, me did promise you, say, me might do an update about this whole situation in our previous video. Well, this is the update, viewers and subscribers, and I hope that this video was somewhat informative. Yeah, I hope that this video was somewhat informative, you know. Anyways, I am going to left it now. Big up and respect to each and every one. Stay safe, work good, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.